Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Tuesday, September 5th, 2023. If you're an individual affected by a layoff, or if you're a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. Artificial intelligence computer vision startup Nexar laid off 17 employees on Monday, a 14% reduction in force for the total workforce of 120. There's no information yet on which departments or personnel were impacted, but this is the third layoff Nexar has made in the last 12 months, with 25 let go last November and another 12 in July. Nexar is mostly working in urban planning, vehicle autonomy, and transportation, and raised $53 million in Series D funding back in November.